Danby DWC172BL 18 cubic foot 17 bottle countertop wine cooler. Compact, affordable, and reliable, Danby's DWC172BL is one of the best wine refrigerators you could place on your kitchen countertop. The all-black cabinets let it match any furniture and interior design. The tempered glass door adds style and functionality, letting you see when it needs refilling. Its hinges are reversible, ensuring easy access to it no matter where you place it or what hand you use. You can't help but fall in love with the scratch-resistant worktop and the chance to use it as additional storage space. The interior is conveniently organized with the help of 3 removable wire shelves coated in vinyl. 2 are full width and 1 is staggered. You can control the storage of large bottles and beer and soda cans as well. DWC172BL comes with 3 cooling levels: minimum, medium, and maximum. Temperatures vary between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 58 degrees Fahrenheit. The lowest temperatures are reached on the bottom and mid shelves, so place your beer at the bottom shelf. When cooling wine, use the middle shelf for white wine and the top one for red wine.